In this tutorial, we'll guide you through downloading and installing the Snaptrude Manager for Revit. Begin by opening a Snaptrude project and opening the Import tab. From here, choose the Revit Files option and click on Download Snaptrude Manager. After the manager has been downloaded, locate it in the Download section. To start the installation, double-click on it. The installation wizard will open. Click Next to begin the process. Please ensure that all instances of Revit are closed before proceeding. If Revit is open, close it and retry the installation. The installer will detect all Revit versions on your system during the process. You can select the Revit versions you want the manager to be added to, then click Next to begin the process. After the installation is complete, open Revit and locate the newly added Snaptrude ribbon. Click on the Snaptrude Manager and then proceed to log into the manager. This will redirect you to a new browser tab. Please note, all pop-up blockers on the browser should be disabled for this process. To log into the manager, click on Open Snaptrude UI. You will then be logged into Snaptrude and can begin working on your Revit Snaptrude Manager. To log out, simply click on the drop-down menu next to your username and select Log Out. If you can't log into the manager, ensure the Snaptrude APIs are whitelisted. For more details, check the tutorial link in the video. Installing the Revit Snaptrude Manager is the first step to begin interoperability between the two. Follow the other tutorials to learn how to import and export models between Revit and Snaptrude.